I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming core prerequisites. Make sure your device is charged or plugged in and that power settings allow full performance. Once done, unplug any external mice and test the built-in trackpad to isolate hardware. Next, close resource-hungry applications, browsers with many tabs, video editors, or virtual machines, because they can spike CPU and GPU usage and cause input lag. These first actionable checks eliminate obvious resource conflicts and get you ready for deeper fixes. Now you update and tune system settings to address lag at its source. First, install the latest driver for your mouse or touchpad via Device Manager or the Maker's Updater, because outdated drivers introduce delays. Then switch the power plan to high performance and disable CPU or GPU throttling, which can cause stutters. Finally, reduce pointer smoothing and extra gestures in settings so the OS stops processing unnecessary input. These steps improve responsiveness by letting hardware and drivers report position faster. Finish by eliminating lingering software conflicts and testing hardware alternatives. Inspect Task Manager, end any high CPU or high disk tasks, and then reboot. If lag persists, perform a clean boot or start in safe mode to isolate third-party interference. Swap USB ports, try a different dongle, or move to another wireless channel to rule out connection issues. If none of that works, try the device on another computer. Troubleshooting tip: if lag appears only in one app, reinstall or reset that app before deeper system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.